In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connection. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!